We do stainless and galvanized gates, frameless door with glass 10 mm template. And this is the main gate, quality profile with galvanized pipe 2 mm with the quality with no ring, nothing. After spraying, galvanized plasma before this normal spray. So.
Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and in today's video I'm here to introduce one of our production group team, Bruno, Aluminium and Stainless Steel, both for commercial and industrial. If you've been following this channel for a year now, then you might have seen some of his work because I've posted about 2 of his videos on the channel, which I will put the link in the description box. He has done major government, projects and also big houses and industrial works, which are in those videos. So if you are interested to know more, I'll put the link in the description box. You can check it out. He does all kinds of balustrade, burglar proof, windows, and also gates. This house you see right there is also one of the projects that I've featured on my channel, which started from foundation till this state, which is the finishing. He went there to do his thing, so as I'm in the country, I asked him to take me around to show me what he's done.
1.5 mm with tempered glass. The correct one. You can see the handle, very solid.
Yeah. Seeing the work done for myself, I will recommend him anytime. So far, I haven't had any complaint, delays, or any bad attitude of his work to the people that I have recommended or have asked me for his contact.
The stainless 1.5 mm quality one with tempered glass. Very solid. You can see this Bruno.
He speaks English and French and also some of our local languages. So I just want to mention that.
Burglar Proof and the aluminium glasses with master profile. Very quality one. It's very smooth.
So these are some samples of his work. Getting to the end of the video, I'll post the other ones that he has done on a different project, and then you see how amazing this guy is. He's really hardworking, and I'm really proud, to feature on his team, on my channel as part of the Gigo production group. By the way, this project is also going for sale, which is around Amasaman. So I'm going to put a flyer right there on the screen, as you can see now. If you are interested, you can contact the owner of this project. I will make a separate video to show you around this project, so just stay tuned. The upload is coming very soon. So these are some projects that Bruno have worked on previously. As I said earlier on, I have 2 links video to the previous ones that I have uploaded last year, which shows an amazing job of his team and what they can do. You can check it out if you are interested. Kindly please do like this video, share to a friend who might need his service, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have more production teams coming on to the channel, and you don't want to miss that if you are in the building process, because you might need some of the production groups to work on your projects, especially if you work with a production team. They work hand in hand together and they make sure that they achieve your goal. So this is what Gigo production is all about. This is just the beginning, as I always say, and there are greater things coming on, so stay tuned.
stainless steel barrister. Stainless steel barrister. Made in Ghana by Bruno. Yeah, you can just give a call if you want. You'll get a new job, latest one, very nice and polished. Stainless steel barrister. Bruno. Very solid one with quality material, with good polishing, good finishing.
So this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get do it.